You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word, and I know many people mispronounce it. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this that too many people get wrong, I suggest you stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced as allies. It comes from the French, that's why French language, that's why it's confusing. The spelling is allies. The stress is on the first syllable, right? So it's usually used in war history, World War I, World War II, the allies. Allies. It's easy once you know how to pronounce in English pronunciation, allies. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.